If I have a vice president in front of me with a number of ministers saying I am directing, what do you want me to rebel?
Works Permanent Secretary Charles Muganzi, who appeared before this committee several times, most of the Chogm procurements were on the directives of the Cabinet Chogm Subcommittee chaired by Vice President Professor Gilbert Bukenya. So MPs on the committee investigating the mismanagement of Chogm funds thought it prudent that he appears here to defend himself. But Attorney General Professor Makubia's legal opinion that the Vice President cannot be summoned by Parliament led to a deadlock between the executive and the legislature. NTV spoke to law experts and those who wrote the 1995 Constitution.
Under Article 94, cannot actually be summoned by Parliament. And that's why, the Attorney General is correct in his opinion.
However, on accountability, the lawyers said the VP should have made himself available to the parliamentary probe.
If I were him, I would not wait. I would not play around with legal niceties. The most important thing is, what is the fear?
It is necessary that people should take every opportunity to explain themselves when those kind of situations occur.
There's nothing similarly under the Constitution that stops him or that prevents him from appearing before the committee. He's not required to, but he can.
Oyam North MP Ben Wacha, a seasoned politician and lawyer who participated in the making of the Constitution, says parliamentary committees have powers of the High Court.
Powers of arrest, powers of detention when it becomes a recalcitrant witness. Those powers can be exercised on anybody.
The Attorney General argued that the VP, being part of the presidency, has the same immunity as the president. But experts disagree, saying the laws that govern both offices are different.
The immunity under the Constitution is only reserved for the president. It's under Article 98(4), and it says the president and doesn't include the vice president. So strictly speaking, he is the vice president like any other person.
The status is not the same, so you cannot treat them in the same way.
President Yoweri Museveni has already expressed willingness to appear. And since Professor Bukenya has no chance now to clean his name, MPs on the committee say they will take the Auditor General's allegations against him as true. Agnes Nandutu, NTV Tonight.